The island of Borneo is one of those rare places where you can sense the adventure in the air. It is a home to some unique animals and breathtaking landscapes which you won't see anywhere else. Borneo has some incredible features that make it truly special and out of this world. We didn't believe that such places still exist till we saw it with our own eyes. I can't be more happy.
Good morning, guys. Today we woke up in a beautiful jungle on Borneo Island. We're staying in a jungle lodge just next to Orangutan sanctuary. This place is so close that the orangutans sometimes even come to visit it.
Seeing orangutans is actually the main reason why we came to Borneo Island, and we're so excited because right now we're going to the sanctuary. Borneo is one of 2 places on Earth where endangered orangutans can still be seen in the wild. Orangutans are among the smartest primates. When you look into their eyes, you feel right away that they are so similar to us. Sepilok was the first center in the world to dedicate itself to the rehabilitation of orangutans. Here you will have a chance to enter the rainforest and observe the orangutans in their wild habitat where they enjoy their freedom roaming the jungle as they please. After Orangutan Sanctuary, we came straight to the Proboscis monkeys sanctuary, and right now we're going to see them, hopefully, because this is their feeding time. After an enlightening experience at the Orangutan Rehabilitation Center, our journey continued to Labuk Bay Proboscis Monkey Sanctuary. This place offers an up-close encounter with proboscis monkeys, which are found only on Borneo. Those monkeys are so close to us, they're jumping around, they're passing bridges, they're trying to come closer to you. It's just amazing, I'm so happy we're here.
This place is incredible. Seems like feeding time is the best time to visit this place because 20 minutes after the show is over, most of the monkeys spread out and went to the forest. Now we leaving this place and heading to the next destination, which we are the most excited about.
After Monkey Sanctuary, we took a car and drove straight to Kinabatangan. After a 2-hour drive, we are finally here. And right now we're heading to the evening river cruise, where we hope to see Borneo Big 5. Kinabatangan is known as the longest river in Sabah, filled with a variety of animals and lush greenery.
You can see pygmy elephants.
This still river offers a unique opportunity to encounter wildlife in its natural habitat. This is my big dream to see these elephants, so I'm extremely happy. And we're so close.
Elephant in the family around 50. It's not included the baby, yeah? When you include the baby, maybe around 100 more. Yeah. They're coming. You hear?
You called them?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, right? So many monkeys. Just more pity that we couldn't see most of the monkeys a bit closer. They seem to be hiding back in the trees.
You can see the small hole and the big round hornbill nest.
The next morning we headed back to the river. Even though we didn't see much that time, it was still an unforgettable experience that will stay in our memories forever. From Kinabatangan we went straight to Semporna. This place is a home to some stunning islands and amazing diving sites. Hey guys, we just got to Semporna and right from our hotel we came to Tourism Jetty to book a tour for ourselves. Tourism Jetty is a place where everyone can book different kinds of activities: snorkeling, hiking, diving and island hopping. And today we're going to our first island where we're going to hike and snorkel. We're very excited.
We just got to the top. We were afraid of a tougher challenge, but at the end it wasn't so bad. And it took us barely 20 minutes to get to the top.
From here we can see everything around, so many islands far away and the clear blue water. And because of this view we came here to Semporna. It's beautiful. During our 3-day visit, we explored several islands and had the chance to snorkel in some truly incredible locations.
I'm diving.
On our return journey from Semporna, we decided once again to come to Sepilok. Hey guys, right now we made it to the Rainforest Discovery Center. We're heading to Skywalk where we hope to see many animals and birds.
We got 2 hornbills sitting on one branch, kissing. Looks amazing.
You like it?
I love it. We spent a few hours exploring the rainforest on our own. Now it's evening and we sign up for a night walk to now find some nocturnal animals with a guide. Cross your fingers, hopefully we'll see some.
So keep looking up there. We have 3 boxes here for the flying squirrel. One, that, okay, and the other one. So this is a nest box for flying squirrel.
Okay.
Normally they will coming out every evening to find food, sometimes couple, and we'll return to the nest after midnight and rest all the day.
Thank you for joining us on our 10-day trip on Borneo Island. From the ancient jungle to the stunning ocean coastline, this place truly is incredible. Witnessing some of the rarest animals in the wild was just an unforgettable experience. Stay with us and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting adventures. See you next time.